Chemistry Seminar. Myself, Prithva Madhukar Umade, Class BSc Second Year, Group Bio, Subject Chemistry. My topic is Bravais lattice of cubic system and their type, that is simple cubic system, body-centered cubic system and face-centered cubic system. Their calculation of number of constituents unit in SCC, BCC and FCC. The cubic crystal has three types of Bravais lattice. It depends on the position occupied by component particles in the unit cell. Their types are simple cubic crystal, body-centered cubic crystal and face-centered cubic crystal. First, simple cubic crystal. It has component particles only at the corner of the cube. Second, body-centered cubic crystal. It has component particle at end corners as well as one particle at the center of a cubic crystal. And last, face-centered cubic crystal. It has component particle at the end corner as well as one particle at the center of each. Number of constituent units in the cubic unit cell. The given crystal may be made up of atoms or molecules or ions. These are present position according to their structure SCC, BCC and FCC. The number of such component particle present in the unit cell is known as lattice site and represented by Z. This value of Z, that is number of such compounds per unit cell, is determined by geometrical considerations. Here, a component particle at corner or at center of face is shared with adjoining unit cells. This calculation of Z is as follows. Number of constituent unit in the cubic cell unit. First, for simple cubic crystal, it has component particle only at the corner, so each particle is equally shared by 8 unit cells. Thus, 1/8th part of particle belongs to each unit cell. Lattice site, that is Z, equals to contribution by each corner particle multiplied by number of corners. Z equals to 1/8 into 8. Z equals to 1 for SCC. For body-centered cubic crystal, it has component particle at each corner and one at center of unit cell. Here, corner particle contributes only 1/8 to the unit cell. However, central particle is unshared by other unit cell. Z equals to contribution by corner particle plus contribution of central particle. Z equals to 1/8 into 8 plus 1. That is, Z equals to 2 for BCC. And the last is for face-centered cubic crystal. It has particles at each corners as well as one at center of each face. Here, each face-centered particle is shared equally by 2 unit cells. Thus, it has particles at each corner as well as one at center of each face. Here, each face-centered particle is shared equally by 2 unit cells. Thus, 1/2, that is half particle, belongs to each unit cell. Lattice site, that is Z, equals to contribution by corner particle plus contribution by face-centered particle. That is, Z equals to 1/8 into 8 plus 1/2 into 6. That is, Z equals to 1 plus 3. That is, Z equals to 4 for FCC. The value of Z is related with density of crystal matter and molecular weight of it by following equation. Z equals to NO, that is Avogadro's number, into A cube, that is length of side of a cube, into D, that is density of crystal matter, divided by M, that is molar mass, where NO means Avogadro number, that is equals to 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23. A, that is length of side of a cube in meter. D. Density of crystal matter in kg per mole cube. And M, that is molar mass, equals to kg per mole. Thank you.